Oh, yan na. Lagot. Get it, get it.
Lagot.
Lagot ka. Sit down ka na dito.
Messenger doors unavailable.
Lagot the manager.
Baka wala kang load. Lagot, the manager will be angry.
Lagot sa'yo.
So, what do you say to daddy? Happy?
Birthday, Daddy.
Happy?
Birthday, Dad.
Ano happy birthday? Happy Father's Day.
I can't.
Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day, Dad.
Where's your money?
One more. Happy.
Happy Father's Day.
Ang cute mo sa yun. Oh, you're so cute. Oh, look,
Papa
look, look.
me, Papa me.
Ay, ang cute rin ni Saksak. Super cute din. Hi! Ay! Say hi. Hi. Zion. Wow, that's yeah, Zion's eating. How about si Saksak? Yeah, that's alright. Chicken. Cute naman ni Zion. What are you doing, Zak? Oh, let's eat na. Oh.
I gotta eat. Look, this is delicious. Papa me, delicious.
Daddy, kumakain kami ng lugaw.
Bugaw is perfect.
Perfect.
I give it 10 up by 9.
Tanawin. Love you. Oh, init.
You seen it? Is that a little car? Yeah. I get yummy to eat that. I get $1,000.
$1,000. Hey.
Yummy.
Sige na, kain na.
I can't touch the egg. I cut the egg on.
Lumo muna.
Let me get more water.
Sige, careful ah. Ano yan?
Me.
Ano yan, Zion? What's that?
The egg and soup. Me.
Lugaw. Ayan.
Like mommy.
Lugaw.
Me, Mom.
Ah, sige. Oh, thank you, Lord. Yan.
How about you, Mommy? There.
Ano? Picture.
And 3, 2, 1.
Ay, hindi.
eat.
Pag-picture tayo. Ano ba yan? Lagi hindi.
Natuloy mo yung pagbabago mo. Yun din naman yung mula ko noon.
Yes, I know this is years late, but I'm sorry.
Ano ba yan? Papayakin mo ba ako?
Sorry.
Wala na yun. Okay na yun. Tagal na nun. Pero,
Kailangan ko.
Talaga nagsikripisyo yan.
Sakit. Pati natin nabigla. tumingin pa iba.
Sabi ng isang mabait na kakilala ko, kahit isang bagay lang na yung tinitingnan mo, ang babago pa rin daw nakikita mo, pero sa perspective na nagkagaling nito.